Okay, Brazil. Uh, it's uh, it's that time of day we do a COVID-19 analysis for the country of Brazil. And by the way, if you are watching this, you folks in Brazil are watching this on YouTube, I would appreciate if you click on that like button next to the video. Okay. So let's just take a look at the numbers today for Brazil. So you can see the last 365 days, Brazil has had 22.8 million cases, 621,327 deaths. And you can see already the 2022 cases are off to a fairly slow start. All right. And also, you can also say the same thing about 2022 deaths are off to a fairly slow start for Brazil. Now you can see they did have the spike here, but here as of January the 16th, uh, you only had 33,277 cases for a single day, with an average of, well, 32,277, with an average of 50,140 cases per day. And you can see that here's the good news is deaths. On January 16th, you actually had only 94 deaths. Okay, let's just make sure we did get these numbers, the system updated here. Okay. Okay, so that doesn't look right. Let's come back over here. Let's come back over here, and let's rerun the database for today. First of all, let's just make sure we did update the data correctly. Maybe I forgot to do it. So let's check the New York Times data also. This is the Our World in data, and it sort of looks like I didn't update the databases today. Okay, so it's going to take a minute or two to upload here. Not quite sure how I messed this up. I just wonder if I even did it for the New York Times data, updated the New York Times data or not. Much less the other vaccine data set. So we're just waiting for this upload to finish, or this download to finish. There's that one. It appears if it didn't update anything today, did it? Doesn't it? Huh. That's interesting. So let's come back over here, and then we're going to rerun the update scripts. Although it did appear as if the New York Times data was updated, but we'll see. We'll see. So let's go back over here. I did run it today. 437. I love air in the springtime. So we'll finish updating this. Then we go back and rerun the report for Brazil again. Okay, that's one down. Then we'll check the database and make sure we do have data for as of the 17th, for the 17th. Okay. Let's switch this back over to Brazil and check the database now. Okay, so that looks good. That looks good. Okay, so let's just run this report for Brazil again. Now, as you can see, we're doing a 365-day rolling window. So each day, one more day falls off to the left of the plot. All right, here we go. So you can see in the last 365 days, Brazil has had, what, 22.9 million cases and 621,000 plus deaths. You can see here that they are seeing some cases starting to creep into their numbers, even though we're only 2 weeks into the new year. And deaths, well, good news is deaths remain fairly low. Okay, and deaths are always more important than cases, right? So we can see here, you can see here that on January 17th, Brazil had 74,381 cases with an average of 53,504 cases per day. Now, here's the good news, okay? And that is that as of January 17th, Brazil, you had 151 deaths with an average of 140.3 deaths. This is just the weekly cases, okay? And again, you can see the big spike here, although it certainly looks as if, well, that the cases for the will stay below these two numbers here. So hopefully this will be the beginning of a new downward trend in cases. Look at deaths. Deaths are continuing the downward trend and are very low. Because this line here is 2,500 deaths per week. Look at all these weeks when your COVID-19 deaths for Brazil were under 2,500 per week. Monthly cases, again, you can see the spike here. This isn't good. Uh, I really kind of ruined this whole period here for you. What about deaths? Again, this nice long declining pattern deaths has continued into January 2022 for Brazil, okay? And of course, Brazil, before I let you go, I had that one favor to ask today. If you're watching on YouTube, I'd appreciate if you click on the like button next to the video, all right? Let's just upload this video to the YouTube channel or to the GitHub.